Hello, welcome to Gatsbygh GH. I am your girl next door, if you're right. This is the episode of Piesie Esther's YMEA concert in London and Narcisse Asida's concert. Hey! Last night was lit at the Dominion Center in London. This beautiful concert was brought to you by Pan-African Art Society of England, and I'm pretty sure you watched it. But if you did not watch it by any chance or any means, just wait, because that's what I'm going to bring you, the full gist on stage of how everything unfolded. So just sit back, because this thing was just one in a town. It was a talk of the year concert that was put together. It featured Eben from Nigeria, and also it also featured Lusanda Beja as well. I mean, Asida was spirit-filling music for me, and YMEA just gives me the reassurance that regardless of what you're going through, so long as your heart is with God, He will order your footsteps and order your footsteps into greatness. That was beautiful. And her style, her dress, oh my gosh, I love big. So it's either you go big or you go home. Piesie Esther was just amazing, and over the top amazing. The makeup, the hair, the poofy dress, everything was on point for her, and I saw that she was very comfortable, especially when she just dropped down, just in the countenance of God, feeling the countenance of God upon her. presence of God last night was just the place where these two needed to be and needed to drag us along with them. For those who were there and for us who were just watching little bit and pieces from here and there, it was just fabulous. Enjoy the beautiful concert brought to you by Gatsbygh GH. Make sure you subscribe and you leave a comment, and don't forget to ring that notification bell just so that you will not miss anything that I upload.